But what you're not gonna do is affect my family.
What it ain't, y'all? This girl Sergeant Craziness. I'm coming to you and you with another Word on the Street segment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So here we are again with Porsha and Simon, because baby Porsha about to handle hers, honey. So they're saying now out here in the streets, aka Radar Online, it's saying Porsha Williams demands prenup be enforced in divorce from Simon. Okay, so Porsha revealed she signed a prenuptial agreement with her estranged husband Simon before they walked down the aisle, and she wants it enforced as part of their divorce. According to Porsha, the divorce petition is listed as date of marriage as of November 25th, 2022, and said they were currently living in a bona fide state of separation. She also goes to say they don't have no kids and don't be expecting no kids, okay? Ain't nothing coming from her. All she got is PJ, okay? And that was with the hot dog man, Dennis, all right? The petition said Porsha was entitled to a divorce from her husband on the grounds that the marriage is irretrievably broken and there is no prospects for reconciliation. Porsha said they signed a prenuptial agreement dated on November the 17th of 2022, which sets forth each party's separate property interests and marital property interests. The petition also says that the wife requests that said prenuptial agreement be enforced by this court and be made a part of the court's final judgment and decree of divorce. Porsha's lawyer also added, wife is hopeful the parties will reach an agreement settling all issues pending between them. However, if such an agreement cannot be reached, wife reserves the right to amend this complaint accordingly. Porsha asked that Simon be ordered to pay her legal fees associated with the case. Hold up, pause. Flag on play. He can't even pay the debt he owed to the jet company that's suing his ass. How is he gonna pay? Oh, he gonna scheme some more, allegedly scamming. To pay your legal fees, your lawyer fees and stuff like that.
Porsha! 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 Porsha Williams!
Now, Porsha, be for real. Be for real. And what make it so bad, we got Simon out here on his Instagram saying stuff like this. Thinking of getting my first electric automobile, the Rolls-Royce Spectra 2024. The first of its kind. What y'all think? Should I purchase one? Hell no. You shouldn't purchase one. You still in debt with other people. You old people, Simon. You old people. I'm not understanding. Don't 2 + 2 = 4? Child. But moving on, in other news with these two, now Porsha is putting Simon on notice. Don't destroy, conceal, or alter financial records during divorce or else. What you gonna do, Porsha? What is you gonna do? So Porsha is saying she having a stern warning for her husband, or I should say soon to be ex, Simon, cautioning him from destroying, concealing, or altering any documents or evidence related to their financial records during their divorce. Yeah, don't alter nothing. Don't change nothing. Okay? Don't do it. Because that's fraud. Don't be doing that. But I don't know if you knew this about your husband, but I have a feeling you did, but you just bypassed it. All them red flags, and hell, you probably had the caution light on, but you was like, no, he doing this, he doing that, he taking me here, he taking me there. I just roll with the punches, and it is what it is. Now we here. Now we are here. So Miss Porsha Williams, not Guobadia no more, made it clear that she doesn't want her husband to alter their financials or sell off any property during their divorce battle. Well, how the hell he gonna pay for your legal fees? Because you wanted to pay for that, and he already in negative. After a petition for divorce has been filed, no transfer of property by either party except a bona fide transfer and payment of pre-existing debts shall pass title so as to avoid the vesting thereof according to the final verdict of the jury in this case. And that's what the documents reads. Pending the final determination by the court of the right of either party to alimony, neither party shall make any substantial change in the assets of the party's estate except in the course of ordinary business affairs and except for bona fide transfer for value. Now the streets also saying, aka Radar Online, that Porsha didn't hold back on her demands, warning her ex not to do. We already know he don't need to destroy, conceal, or alter anything pertaining to like a video, audio, paper, or electronic files or other data in connection with this pending litigation, including but not limited to any of the following items that are either presently in your possession or control, or which may come into your possession while this case is ongoing. Any financial records or statements, all income records, all tax records, all expense records, all recordings or evidence reflecting relevant conduct by either party, any item that supports any defense raised by you to this complaint, and or any item which support any claim by you in any counterclaim or pleading filed in this matter. You are further notified that a failure to comply with this notice may result in sanctions for any destruction or failures to preserve any such evidence, including without limitation adverse inferences against you at trial, as well as an award of expenses and attorney fees made by such conduct. Child, I felt like I was getting booked. Like, you know, basically done read me my rights and juking me off to jail. Damn, that was a lot. Child, that was a lot. The divorce documents also reveal that Williams and Guobadia signed their prenup on November 17th before saying I do 8 days later on no. Look, that's my thing. You signing this right before, a couple of days, a week before you get married and walk down the aisle. Then Jenny might do it right. She did that shit too, where she signed her prenup the day before she married Jeezy. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it is what it is. That's y'all business. That is y'all business. And child, we ain't even done. We are not even done with these two. So if you think that they're gonna show this on Real Housewives of Atlanta, according to Radar Online, that's not going to be the case. Now, the events that led up to Porsha Williams' decision to divorce Simon won't be aired on television because Bravo cameras weren't there to roll on it. Well, hell, they weren't there to roll on it for Drew when she was getting the divorce for, what's his name? What's that boy name? Ralph. So, I mean, they squeezed that in there toward the end. Hell, they can make it work. The Real Housewives of Atlanta star and Simon's breakup won't be shown when Porsha makes a triumphant return as a peach for season 16 because it's still a while away from production. Child, we probably won't get that to damn next year. However, the fallout from the split and their uphill divorce battle will likely be a huge storyline next season. Porsha is a star on her own without Simon. He was not important to Bravo. Well, damn. An insider said, adding that fans love Williams and are excited to have her back without a husband. So once again, we having this. You don't have to be a housewife to be on Housewives of Atlanta. All right. We would take Porsha married, single, picking up the pieces of her life on high, on low, however she wants. You know, however she's going to be. But we didn't know, and this is really a big right turn from the story that I think all of us thought we would be telling. So sending love to Porsha, and that's what Andy had said pertaining this situation. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.